Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about predicting stock prices using machine learning plus ChatGPT in Python. Okay. So here I've been open this ChatGPT and the model which I'm gonna utilize for machine learning, that will be scikit-learn. That will be our module sklearn. Okay. So as you know, ChatGPT as of nowadays very much famous. Okay, especially for the uh, coding purposes. Okay, for helping software engineer as well as uh, professional people. Okay, so one of the best AI tool. Okay, and we will gonna utilize this AI tool for our purposes such as predicting stock prices or getting help from it for recommendations as investing or trading. Okay, so we're definitely gonna do this stuff. Okay, so now why we are doing this stuff, why we are utilizing is a chat GPT or scikit-learn machine learning. Okay, because as you know, for investing as of nowadays, like getting with 2 to 5 years span of time or 10 years or something, you have been invested certain things, and but the stocks you have invested, it didn't go well. Okay, so nobody knows about how it gonna perform the stocks in upcoming years. Okay, it is very crucial, it is very uh, and not an easy way to see that. Okay, because people are investing for like 5 to 10 years and still they won't get the pretty much amount which is required unless they are investing some kind of a FD or some kind of a like assured returns. Okay, but whatever the returns you get in that, okay, it is limited. But in case of stock market, the prices are volatile as well as the returns. Okay, so even you can expect 1000% return as well. Okay, but the expectations have reality. Okay, and whatever you see in the market, you should be have a certain kind of a advisable from a advisor. Okay, and the second thing is experience is very much required. Okay, to get all the benefits, especially from the stock market. Okay, it is not an easy way. Now to make it easy, you should have this tool. Okay, especially you should have skills. Okay, you should learn Python. Okay, especially this Python. What happens is, suppose this this chatbot which is given. Okay, so suppose if you want to utilize, okay, and if you know the basics of coding, you know how exactly modules work, how exactly installation works, how you can proceed with the Python. Okay, so all of the basic combined with these things. Now what happens, if you just get the code and put it in a text editor, it will help you, it will get you results. But in case what happens is, suppose if you are doing as of not utilizing any kind of a Python tool or say any kind of a programming language, you get any website or you get any kind of a applications, what you are doing over there. Okay, exactly, you need to pay charges for that reason whichever you want to utilize. Okay, so to avoid all those stuff, I must say that you should learn Python. Okay, so basics are important. Okay, so as of right now, if you ask for chat GPT, if you give some query, okay, it will get you the results. Okay, same as with covering the basics is important. So as of in my videos, I've been done all of the basics, covering a number of things around, like as I say, around 500 videos are available. Okay, where exactly I've been, like I've been done the coding part, I've been done the trading part. Okay, a list of videos I've been done where exactly this performance has been carried out, like the stocks have been traded, the commodity sectors have been traded, even the cryptocurrency as well. Okay, so all of the results have been pasted. Okay, straight away what I've been done, I've been took something and straight away went for like getting some results, straight away went for like trading purposes. So for like experimental basis, testing basis, I've been done a lot of stuff. Okay, especially investing in skills. Okay, that is helping me out a lot. Okay, whether in personal life or professional life. Okay, it helps to build a good psychology. So all of the things matters the most. Okay, so let's get away straight to the working part. Okay, so straight away I ask for the chat GPT that what is chat GPT. So straight away whatever you ask, like it is like you are communicating with someone. You ask some query or say chatting with someone. Okay, the people, if you are human, they exactly take time or certain this or that stuff. Okay, sometimes they reply faster, sometimes they won't. Okay, if a professional person are there, exactly like they try to reply as soon as possible. Okay, and even in that category also some deficiency will be there. Okay, some errors will be there, but as a reply to the chatbot, it is pretty much accurate and response is updated one, and it is perfect. Okay, so first of all I read what is chat gpt. Chat gpt is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human like text based on the input it receives. It's trained on a large data set of diverse text from the internet, allowing it to understand and generate responses on a wide range of topics. ChatGPT can be used for various purposes, including answering questions, generating text, assisting with writing text, and engaging in conversation. It's part of a broader effort to develop artificial intelligence that can understand and communicate with humans in natural language. Okay, so this is exactly the machine learning mean. Okay, so if you are utilizing machine learning, deep learning algorithm models, okay, so whatever you are doing, they are generating some kind of a required sense. Okay, so especially say I must say that some of the examples, I must say that now as of right now, the AI voice is there, artificial intelligence voices are coming over there, deepfake videos are there. Okay, especially they are generating like they are mimicking the natural process. Okay, as I must say, that's natural, whichever it is that they are trying to make it as much as possible. So intelligence, like human intelligence, as we go with like some kind of a artificial intelligence, as we add like in a like to make it our food look colorful, but we like artificial flavor. Okay, artificial color. So all of the things like try to do it same as the way it is. Okay, so in that this chat gpt is doing as of right now. Okay, it is whatever we are trying to give as a query, it is responding. So same as it does with the computer, does with the like if you ask for the Google, it will response. It will definitely gonna give response that is much faster, much greater, much simpler. Okay, one of the wonderful stuff it is. Okay, now let us move to the machine learning. So we ask for machine learning. Okay, so this is how it go. Machine learning, okay, especially it will talk about how it goes. Okay, so this supervised, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. For this, I think I've been done already for NLP, which is natural language processing. Been already utilized a model. Okay, for that you can check my YouTube video for especially like getting the tweets and tweets like placing orders. Okay, getting positive affirmation. So all of the things have been done. Okay, so you can check my website. You can search in box and you will get the answers. Okay, so this I've been done a little explanation, so you can check over there. Okay, so in this also, if you go through this one, it will help you out. Okay, so straight away we try to get in code. So if you ask this way, this is the answer you will get. Okay, so you need to be specific what you are asking. Okay, so if I say machine learning in a Python, okay, it will give me what exactly you need to be done. Okay, so it will give you the modules, okay, whichever it is there, what needs to be utilized, and what we are doing. Okay, so I think from matplotlib we have been done a little bit. Seaborn installation also we have been done, but mostly we have done all of the things in matplotlib only. Rating chart, candlestick chart, all of the things we have been done in matplotlib. Pandas also we have been utilized. So what is pandas? Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation. So all of the things is required. So numpy, okay, so we have covered this stuff, okay, and this is what we say is AI. It's open source machine learning framework. So I think PyTorch we have not utilized. TensorFlow we have done nothing, and scikit-learn, this installation I have been done, okay, but we will cover this stuff. So mostly after numpy what we can say, we can begin with the scikit-learn. It is one of the easy and one of the best tool, okay, and I think I've been done like a number of projects related to other stuff, okay, as per prediction only, as per recommendations. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna carry with today. So straight away I will ask a query and I will get my results as of today, okay, and I will try to close the video today. So what happens, what is our topic? Predict stock prices is down. So straight away, I will ask for the Yahoo Finance OHCV data using machine learning in Python. Okay, so what happens? I will Yahoo Finance data is free of cost. Okay, and it is easy to access. So instead of getting in the CSV data or with other getting with the API key and access token. So I think most of the things have been already done. Okay, so only we are utilizing some of the model. Okay, we are just trying to predict. So one of the examples which I am taking, so in this case I think I'm utilizing this linear regression model. Okay, it is very much simple and easy to utilize this stuff. Okay, so you can utilize this stuff. As I'm ready with my Sublime text, with my text editor, so just paste it, and if you run you will get the data. Okay, and how I can say that I will get my data perfectly, because I think I've been done the installation of Yahoo Finance. So you need to get ready with your CMD, and all you have to say pip install whichever it is there, Y Finance, okay, like that. Okay, and whatever the other modules say, if you want to get with Excel sklearn, what happens, it was earlier pip install sklearn, but as of right now if you want to get with it, it will be this way. Okay, so you need to check. So if you are for pip install scikit-learn, it will give you the installation of this module sklearn. Just import the sklearn model, okay, and we are ready to do our stuff. So these are the dependencies, okay, numpy, scipy, joblib, thread pool, CTL. Okay, so this are the stuff is required. So we are extracting the data from our 2020 to 2021. Okay, so 1 year data we are utilizing, and we are doing an Apple data we are utilizing. Okay, so it is our Apple stocks which we are doing. So what we are doing is we are getting OHCV data, okay, and we are based on that we are training, okay, in which you can include as a feature engineering. Okay, feature engineering sense, in what happens, you can can add the moving average, and then you can get with the train model and get with the linear regression model and just get the predict and mean squared error. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we'll see this stuff. Will as I already talked about, so how many things we have covered, for up to 500 videos we have been done some stuff, data collection, historical OHCV data collections which we have been done from various websites, from various broker. Data pre-processing, what happens, any kind of comma or this will be there, so we just are processing without that one. We are adding indicators, moving average, that can come as a feature selection engineering as well. Okay, uh, so for OHCV data we are utilizing, and same as with this, so this data pre-processing and feature engineering is same. Now what happens, we will do some model selections. For in this case we are doing as a linear regression, so already algorithms are there which we are doing, so we are doing model selections, we are training them, we are evaluating. So exactly, we as of right now we are doing with the mean squared error, we are doing some evaluation, okay, as we do for the testing models or algorithms or software. So we utilize this stuff. Okay, so once the model is trained and evaluated, use it to make predictions on new unseen data. Okay, so this is how we can do. Okay, so once it is evaluated, once we got the results, we are good to go. Okay, now what happens? I just say Control B and run this stuff. Okay, so it is building and it will get the results here. Okay, so we got our data. Okay, so we got our this results. Okay, so I just tried to put in ChatGPT itself and try to ask, okay, and whether whatever we have been obtained, whether it is like somewhat we have been obtained in a great way or not. Okay, so it is low value, indicating very high accuracy of the model on the test data. However, such a low MSME might be a result of overfitting, especially considering the inherent noise and randomness in stock price data. Okay, so maybe earlier when I've been done this stuff, okay, we are getting some stuff, okay, great, as like 0.3 or something, but it is giving us certain other stuff. Okay, so we will try once again and see whether we are getting the same results or not. Okay, so this is how the data we will get. Okay, so it is, as of right now we are getting a low value of our mean squared error. Okay, so we are getting some like some overfitting as a kind of a thing. Okay, so it is telling us such as a low MSE might be a result of overfitting, especially considering the inherent noise and randomness in stock price data. Okay, so because of this data, maybe like what we are trying, it's not able to get the results what we are looking for, but we will do it, adding more and more stuff, okay, adding more and more data, and trying to predict as good as a result possible. Okay, and we as of right now only, like I've been copy pasted with just an example. Okay, and how you can process with this information whatever we have available as in chat GPT have been done. Okay, but what I have been done, like I will pick each and everything, and I will try to like build some kind of a recommendation system. Okay, otherwise whatever the results I'm looking for as in prior, like I will get this result because of this and this. Now main what happens, what are the things I can add? Even I can natural language processing, some of the tweet, text, financial data, all of the things I can include and can produce the results. Okay, this machine learning will definitely gonna help me a lot. Okay, and a number of models are there, algorithms are there, so I make it more efficient, more beautiful until I get the desired results. So it's machine learning, it's all about evaluating, training. So what exactly I do with my like profitable programmatic trading, it's like just running each and each every day and evaluating and like coding stuff and like doing some changes, evaluating the performances. Okay, and adding more and more stuff for like valuation. So all of the stuffs I'm already doing, okay, without this model only. Okay, but in case when it comes to machine learning, it is already ready-made. I just have to adapt, run, and according to that I have to get more and more results. Okay, so that's we gonna carry in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries for requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp.